Hello everyone, this is Tabit from the Golden Llama, and today we are going to be playing a fun game known as Riddle School. So this is where you try to escape school, but in a special way. You can tell by the name. But let's get straight into the game. Let's press start. John Wilkinson's. Ugh. Been sitting here for 2 hours straight listening to addition facts. All because they tease somebody. I'm in a special class. I don't even have a smart teacher. Right now, I'm as free as a bird in a birdcage. Alright, that's it. I'm getting out of this school. What's 131 plus 42 again? I forgot. This looks like a bad school. This is awesome. Okay. Hey teacher, can I sharpen my pencil? Only one person at a time. Okay? And that was sharp. I can't believe I said that. Okay, school doors are shut during school hours. First of all, I bet the principal has the keys. I was there yesterday, and then I got sent to that class. Only last time I was with the teacher. I bet it will be harder this time. I don't even have a hall pass. There's a hall door right before you reach the hall's end. Well, it's all the way down the hall and past the teacher's lounge. If I can make it there, I'm as good as free. Is there anything I can find in his office? Yeah, hall pass. We were just talking about it. Hey, it's this. Get crazy. As my teacher, Miss Toby, who drinks more coffee than anyone else I know. That's why. She finishes teaching I can't talk today. She finishes teaching lessons 2 hours early in a hard-to-understand Genevieve voice. That's Smiley. She's the only one in school who likes learning. Smiley's also the one I made fun of being in a special class. This is weird. Wow! Kinda just doing a duster. Ironic. Yeah, ironic. So, okay. What are you doing? Not my closet! Why so mean? I go to the bathroom. As the craziest in town, those are 6. Just look at the sleepy sound. Whoever got priced out escaping school food. Always that cool looking. Yeah. There's the untouched stall, which is in cabinet condition and apparently on display. A big fat battery clogged in left stall's pipes and choked up all that water. It's like so much water in there. It's the only stall the guys ever used, made in cooking. Hey, it's me, Richie, the hall guard. Got a hat on the front. We can't pass. Yes, I do, so please get out of my way. I guess I'll go to it. Listen, if I went in there, you'd hear squeaking the sheets. Not only from anyone in there, but who? But me. Let's go. This school has 7 students and more than 50 lockers. No sanity! Ooh, give me a cookie. Can you just let me in there? Principal's office is past the teacher's room. They can't get in. Shove us in the way. Let's go to the cafeteria. He said he wanted a cookie vending machine, and so fortunately broke it. Okay. Can I talk to you? It's Greg, the least hungry and most stressful student in school. Okay. Let's find a way to get some money. It's got to do with the janitor's closet. What are you doing? You can't find anything in the duster. Keep the change. Thank you, janitor. Been looking all over the school for this. Lay down beds need dusting. You're gonna clean the beds? That's weird. Well, I gave you $1. Don't waste it on socks. Don't let it. Bucket, you spilled something. I ate one of those for lunch today. Pig lunch food is really bad. Okay, here we go. Maybe I can give this to someone? Like, take the dollar, fatty. What are you doing here? I'm standing. Get out! Okay. I need to talk to the principal. Emergency. We go to the bathroom? Not that kind of emergency. Okay. I want to tell him the joke. Oh, joke's always fun. Go right on in. Be nice. Okay. He woke up. Run! How nice of you to drop by. Okay, now I need to run. Before he gets me. I got out. Now go read a good book. Well, that was really fun. So, hope you enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.